warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable judges and my beloved friends. My name is Syifaurrohim from SMP Lentera Qur'Ani, Gedang, Karanganyar. This time, I'd like to tell you a story about the legend of Timun Mas. How about the story? This is the story. Once upon a time, not far from a jungle, lived a husband and a wife. They were diligent farmers who always worked hard on the field. They had been married for many years and still not have a child yet. Every day they prayed and prayed for a child, but they still had no answer from their prayer. One night, while they were praying, a giant passed their house. The giant heard their prayer. Don't worry, farmers, I can give you a child, but I have one condition for you. You have to give me the child when she's 17 years old, said the giant. The farmers were so happy. They didn't think about the risk of losing their child and agreed to take the offer. Then the giant gave them a bunch of cucumber seeds. The farmers planted them carefully. Then the seeds changed into plant. No longer after that, a big golden cucumber grew from plants. After it had ripe, the farmers picked and cut it. They were very surprised to see a beautiful baby girl inside the cucumber. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Finally, our wait is over, said the husband. While crying, the wife said, I couldn't be more grateful than this. Her parents thought about their beloved daughter name. After thinking for a while, finally they named her Timun Mas. Years passed by. Timun Mas has changed into a beautiful teenager. On her 17th birthday, she was very happy. However, the parents were very sad. They knew they had to keep their promise to the giant, but they also didn't want to lose their beloved daughter. Timun Mas, take this bag. It can save you from the giant, said the mother. What do you mean, Mom? I don't understand, said Timun Mas. Right after that, the giant came into their house. Timun Mas, where are you? The mother was very afraid, while Timun Mas kept wondering what actually happened. Run, Timun Mas, save your life! Screamed the mother in distress. The giant was very angry. He knew the farmers wanted to break their promise. You lied to me! I will chase your beloved daughter! Ah! He chased Timun Mas away. Timun Mas scared, so that she tried to run as fast as she can. Mom, Dad, help me please. I don't want to live with the giant. She cried quietly and wished to escape from the giant. Then the giant was getting closer and closer. Timun Mas then opened the bag and threw a handful of salt. Feel this, you evil giant! It became sea. The giant had to swim across the sea. How dare you! He was furious and screamed loudly. Later, Timun Mas threw some jelly. It became a jungle with trees. The trees had sharp tools. So they hurt the giant. Ah! He was screaming fully in pain. However, the giant was still able to chase the mouse. The mouse took her third magic staff. It was cucumber seed. She chewed them and became cucumber field. However, the giant could escape from the field. Then, it was the last magic staff she had in the bag. It was a shield-based terasi. The mouse was very anxious. She's worried that shieldless magic staff won't work. God, please make it happen. She begged and prayed while she making her last attempt. She threw it and became a big swamp. The giant was still trying to swim the swamp, but he was very tired. Then he was drowning and died. The mouse then immediately went home. She ran towards her parents. Mom, Dad, I'm home. I'm so scared. The parents was screaming and hugged her tightly. Timon Mas, you are back. We are so relieved, said her parents. We will protect you the best way we can. They kept crying and hugged tightly. They promised to protect each other and live happily ever after as a happy family. Well, my dearest audience, what can we learn from this story? Yes, it's about courage. A courage to overcome any challenge in our life. There's something worth saying like this. If there's a will, there is a way. And that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.